The Vending Concepts EL1010C max capacity vending machine is the ultimate solution for any location, combining advanced technology, unmatched flexibility, and exceptional durability. Don't settle for less, choose the machine that competes and beats the BevMax in every way. The future of vending is here. The Vending Concepts EL1010 is ready to elevate your business. At 45 3/4 inches in width, our EL1010 may be a bit larger than you need. If you're looking for something more compact, we offer alternative elevator machines with a smaller footprint. The 9009-10, for example, is just 41.5 inches wide, but still provides the same great features, including an elevator and a 10-inch touchscreen, just like the EL1010. If you need an even more condensed option, the 9007-10 might be the perfect fit at just 34 3/4 inches wide, while still offering the 10-inch touchscreen. All of these models are versatile, capable of vending drinks, snacks, food, and much more. To learn more about the EL1010 and how it can revolutionize your vending needs, visit us online at vendingconcepts.com or call 817-586-1354.